How to convert PowerPoint slides to Word document. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can convert PowerPoint slides into Word document. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up your PowerPoint presentation. Now if you want to convert your PowerPoint slides to Word, once you're here, navigate to top left corner and click on File option. Now again, navigate to menu bar on your left hand side and then go to export. Once you see this kind of interface here, click on change file type. Again, click on save as. Once you see this pop-up box in your interface, here type in your file name, select your location where you want to save your file, and under save as type, click on this drop down, and now from here select PDF. After that, click on save. Now once you have saved your PowerPoint slides as PDF, now to convert it into Word, what you have to do is navigate to that specific location where you have saved your PDF file that you have converted from the slides recently, and there right click on the file and here click on open with, click on choose another application, scroll down a bit, and from there select Word, then click on just once. Here click on OK, and there you go. Now your PowerPoint slides has been converted into your Word document, and that's how you can convert the PowerPoint slides into Word document. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.